Do you always wanted to know who checks your profile on TikTok? Well, let me show you how you can check that. Come to your profile picture and click here. Then come up to the three lines, click on it. Then come all the way to settings and privacy, click on that. Then come over to privacy, click on that too. Then scroll all the way down to profile view, click on it. And this is it, profile view history. So once you click this button, mine's on, I know when people have checked my profile out. So this is what it says here, this information. It says, see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed their profile. Only you can see who viewed your profile, and you can turn this off anytime. Mine is on. So I will always know who check my profile. And let me show you how you will know when someone have checked your profile. All you need to do is go back to your profile, look up. You see the eye? Yep. That's where the person's picture will appear. The profile picture will appear so that you can now click on it. Let's click on it, and you see profile views. So whoever has viewed my profile will appear right here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, follow me for more.